Hi everyone. So for a while now, I've been looking to get a wireless microphone system, and I eventually settled on the RØDE Wireless Go. And this is actually a really cool setup for, easy sound recording. I can't wait to test it out, so we're gonna unbox that right now. So, as you can see, I've actually already opened the box, and I kind of did a bad job of it. It's a bit of an odd box. Just slide this top portion out from here, and then you open it like that. I just tried to, open up the bottom of the box like you would, with most boxes. It looked like it was meant to be opened like that. No, you're supposed to pull this whole thing out and then tear along there, and then it opens up nicely like that. And of course everything's disorganized in here because I kind of jumbled it about. You've got a couple of dead cats for the microphone to improve audio quality and to reduce wind noise. You've got a little booklet of safety information, of course. Got a couple of USB cords for charging the microphones, I believe. You've got a audio adapter so you can plug it into your camera. And here's the device itself. Nice. That looks like the microphone unit. And that's the control unit. And these are really nice and small. For some reason, they're kind of scratched up on the outside of the plastic that was meant to protect them. That's kind of odd. Makes me think they've been opened before, but oh well. We'll just peel that off. It's nice and shiny underneath. Another peel. And that's the set. All in all, a pretty complete setup for recording audio, and it should really improve the quality of my audio. I've typically record with a Rode shotgun mic, such as I'm recording with right now, but that really picks up a lot of background noise I find that I don't always really want. In fact, I often just want my voice with as little background noise as possible, because often my neighbors tend to be a bit noisy, and that's a real issue. But this setup, I think, should solve that, should make recording good audio a lot easier for me. And we're just gonna really quick set this all up and see how it sounds. So one thing I'm noticing here is that this dead cat does not attach securely at all to the microphone. It falls off really easily, which is a bit of a problem. Wish they had a better locking mechanism for that. And I'm just gonna attach that to my shirt, and just like that, we are now recording with the RØDE Wireless Go. I haven't changed any of the settings on it. I have no idea how this sounds as I'm filming this, but it should possibly be ready to go just like that. Just hook it up and you're good to go. I'll probably have to adjust the settings, and this may sound terrible, but I'm going to do a full review of this a little ways down the road after I've had some time to test it out and use it. You can plug a external microphone, a lav mic or a shotgun mic into this and record wirelessly using that if you don't want to use this little thing. But this is a really convenient setup, though. It's really easy to do, really easy just if you want just to attach and go. It's as easy to use as my Rode shotgun mic that I was recording with previously. And yeah, it's a really cool little system. And it's pretty affordable at just around $200. That's not much for a wireless microphone system. Really pretty affordable and easy to use. And yeah, so far I am pretty impressed. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this little unboxing useful. I hope it came out I had a slightly different setup. I'm trying it out, a 2-camera system for my unboxings. Yeah. I hope it turned out well. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this little unboxing useful, and I'm going to have a full review a little bit farther down the road after I've had the chance to test this. But yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed. Anyway, bye.